If you are installing a vinyl siding and your board's kind of short, like this I have here, because I'm installing them on this outdoor storage, and of course you are on the ladder pretty high, and you need to squeeze them in between the J molding and the corner. Do this. Since you always want to have 3 points of contact with your ladder, you stand on it and you put your arms through the ladder. So put one of the sides into the J molding like that, and then put your arm in the middle like that, and then bend it on the other side like that. Release the first arm and then move your siding to the top, and now you can nail it. Don't attempt to squeeze it on the sides, especially if you're pretty high, because that's pretty dangerous. They can bounce and you can lose the balance. Make sure you bend it right in the middle, like that. And then you can put it to the top and nail it.